This is Kevin. I'm with the Husky Camp Siberian Husky Rescue. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about the critter cooler. I had to be very skeptical because the Siberian Husky breed is a very destructive breed by nature, and pretty much anything and everything that we've ever put in their kennels has been destroyed. And after 6 months of use with the kennels, I would say that they've held up strikingly well. Dogs love them. Keeps the water a lot cleaner than the big buckets that we used to use, where they'd stick their whole bodies in, stick their feet in and dig. And with this, I can just go in at the end of the day, shut the valve, clean the darn thing out, fill it back up full of clean water, and away we go.
Hi, my name is Grace from German Shepherd Rescue of Orange County, and I want you to know that the critter cooler is the greatest water that we have ever purchased. We have put through over 75 dogs since purchasing the water cooler through our household, and none of them have been able to destroy the critter cooler.
Hi, I'm Dennis Quagley with Camp Runnemud, San Diego's favorite cage-free dog facility. We use critter coolers. We have about 6 of them here at our location. We think they're great. They keep the water clean, they keep it cool.
Husky Camp endorses the Critter Cooler Concepts cooler, and I recommend it to kennels and individuals alike. It's a great product.